Hello, 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 children. Good morning to everybody. Remember that today we have another opportunity for learning, for growing up, and for being happy. Today is Tuesday, June the 2nd, 2020. Yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. And in the English school is day 6. Now, let's see. Who can tell me what's the weather like? Let's start by foggy. Is today a foggy day or is it a windy day? No, maybe it's a rainy day, or maybe it is a cloudy day, or maybe near your homes you have a sunny day. Let's see which is the agenda for today. Today we are going to have at the beginning of the day mathematics, after mathematics unit, after unit snack. After the snack time we will have ICT with Miss Patty Buya and rhythm with Miss Sandrita Vinchira. After rhythm we are going to have lunch, and after lunch fine motor skills. Remember people, sweetie pretties, my sweetie candies and my sweetie cookies that you are. At the beginning of the snack time, you have to wash your hands. Also at the beginning of lunch time, or before you start having your lunch, or before you start having your snack, remember to go to the toilet and wash your hands properly. It's for your health and is for your parents' health. Now, please be ready because in short minutes we are going to start our mathematics class. Okay? See you later and wait for me. Don't be bored. No, waiting for me because we are going to start a wonderful class. Okay? See you. Bye.